Text-to-Join features allow mobile users to opt in to text marketing lists. Businesses can optionally gather names, email addresses, zip codes, and birthdays of prospects and customers. Later, the businesses can send promotions, coupons, service updates, and sales reminders via text message, a picture, or video to opt-in subscribers. For example, a retail store, restaurant, pizza shop, or salon can start a mobile VIP club and invite its customers to opt in to receive special discounts in coupons using a text messaging service. Please note, the Text-to-Join campaign can also be created without a keyword and can be used as a simple list to import contacts from CSV or external sources such as MailChimp, Constant Contact, or Salesforce. Let's see how to set up a Text-to-Join campaign. Log on to your dashboard using your username and password. Click on Campaigns. Then click on the plus button to add new campaign. This will bring you to a list of different campaigns. Select the Text-to-Join campaign. The short code and SMS account are pre-selected. Give the campaign a relevant name. This is your list name as well. Enter the keyword. A keyword is a unique word or short phrase that people can text into the texting number to join the mobile list. The keyword must be 4 or more characters. Again, the keyword is optional. The opt-in response field is where you enter an opt-in confirmation or response message. This is what people will receive when they text a keyword to the texting number. You can add images, mobile coupons, short URLs, and MMS to the response message as well. Click Save to save the campaign. You can also set up timed or drip messages and recurring messages. Once the campaign is saved, you'll see a new set of options available at the top. Click on Subscribers. This will bring you to the Manage Subscribers screen. Here, you can manage your subscribers. To add new subscribers, click on the plus contacts button at the top. You can add individuals by typing in their phone numbers, or you can import subscribers. Web widget options allow you to create a web sign-up form for online sign-ups. Now, let's see how to join the list from a mobile phone. The mobile phone number is also now added to the subscription list. Thanks for watching.